On today's episode of the Small Block Ford Swap Camaro, step number 2, pull a small block Ford out of the Mustang. As you can see, it's quite a lot to it, but we made everything pretty simple to get to, and other than some of the wiring that we've had to fix because of loose connectors and stuff like that, but we'll get it all done right now that we'll have it all out of the car. As you can see, we got the small block Ford set over in the Camaro today. Fits in there pretty nicely. We're going to have to do some work to the motor plate. We're going to have to drop the front of the motor down probably at least a ½ inch. But as far as clearance and go on everything, it turned out pretty great. Well, we may move it back just a little bit more, but we want to make sure that we got enough room for obviously the wiring harness to come through the firewall, the fuel system. But we officially have about everything out of here now. I'm going to leave the shifter in it because we're going to use this shifter. It's pretty much the same shifter that was in the other car. Aftermarket case glide fits in there pretty nicely. So what we're going to do, we're probably not going to do a mid plate. We're probably going to take in, I'm going to cut the existing bracket out, and I'm going to build one that comes a little bit further this way. And we're just going to, because in the other car, it was on a transmission mount. It wasn't motor and mid plated. It was just motor plated. But yeah, it's starting to look more and more like a race car, how we want it. Still haven't taken the nitrous bottle out, but we're going to take in, we was going to paint all this black, but we've decided that we're actually going to put carpet of everything. We're going to put carpet on this. I'm going to fill in the holes on that. And we're probably going to put suede on the dash here. We're gonna, pretty much shine up a turd. So all in all, I mean, pretty happy with the way everything fit. It was pretty depressing watching my car get put back up on the trailer with no motor in it. I've had the Mustang for 9 years now, and I hate that we're moving on to something else, but I think this is a better platform. It's full tube chassis car compared to just a 12-point cage welded to the floor pan of a Mustang. So my thought process is this is a little bit lighter car. It's I wouldn't say it's better built, but it's just a little bit more to offer. The green car, we're probably just going to put a little 302 in it, probably put a 5-speed in it. I'm going to put some regular doors, put the interior back in it, and I'm just going to drive it. It's a car that I've had, like I said, for 9 years, so I can't sell it. Unfortunately, the headers that we had on the car is not going to even come close to working. So we have a couple things in mind. A buddy of mine said that we should probably do twin turbos. Make it much easier to build a set of headers that just bring a turbo there. Probably what I'm going to end up doing is just taking the flange that I've got off the old headers, and I'm just going to build a set of headers that fit a little bit tighter through there. But we'll start all that once we get the motor and transmission set to where we want it, and then I can start building the headers in.